unmarked. Wow. Fits near perfect, doesn't it? Look, y'all see this? They took it away from me. I just noticed what this is. Way more than just that amount of slots, because I've already got those all filled up. That was a really tiny drive bay. I said it myself, it's a really tiny drive bay. But now, there's another one back here. And just to prove it, look at this.